Have you ever noticed that the strongest goodbyes are rarely spoken? No arguments, no dramatic endings, no final message saying, "I'm leaving," just silence. The truth is, people don't usually leave all at once. They leave little by little, a little less excitement in their voice, a little less effort in their messages, a little less interest in your life, and most people don't notice it until it's too late, because emotional distance always comes before physical distance. The saddest part? The people who care the most often stay the longest. They ignore the warning signs, they make excuses, they keep giving chances. Not because they're weak, but because they genuinely believe things can get better. They remember the good memories, the promises, the laughter, and they hold on, hoping the connection will return. But sometimes, the person they're holding on to has already let go. And one day, something changes. The calls stop, the conversations become empty, the effort disappears, and without a single announcement, the relationship is over. That's the silent goodbye. Not a door slammed shut, but a door slowly left open until no one is standing there anymore. And while it hurts, there is an important lesson hidden inside that pain. Not everyone who leaves is meant to stay forever. Some people enter your life to teach you a lesson, to show you your strength, to remind you of your worth. So if someone has given you a silent goodbye, don't chase what has already chosen to leave. Instead, focus on yourself, heal, grow, and keep moving forward. Because the people who truly value you will never make you question whether they care. And the right people won't say goodbye in silence. They'll show up, stay present, and choose you every day. Remember, sometimes the end of one connection is the beginning of a better chapter.